guys, I hope you all are doing well and having a nice time. So as we all know, Valentine's Day is just 3 days away, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing some amazing gift ideas that you can gift your loved ones this Valentine's Day. So without further delay, let's quickly get this video started and I will meet you guys on the other side of this video. Quickly start with the gifts that you can actually gift your loved ones this Valentine's Day. So I will firstly start with the perfume. That is, this is from Blush, and this is a perfume set. This is known as the short set, and this one is for women, but they also sell perfume for men. I will show you this set because I have been using this for a long time. This is it, and I will make a separate video for this, so I'm not going to be going in details for this right now. You can actually go to their site and check it out. They have a lot of different type of perfumes. They also sell perfume for men. And then I will show you something that's from one of my favorite brands, and that's from M Caffeine. This is a face scrub, this is a face wash, this is a set actually. Then you also have a different set. This is a cocoa body lotion. Here it is. This is a soap dish, and this is a wooden soap dish, and this is Naked and Raw cappuccino coffee bath bar, a single one. Then this is actually a set. This thing is a set. Okay. With this too, you get these two complimentary things. They are having offer for Valentine's Day, so you can check it out. This is a face wash, and this is the face mask. You can also gift this set. This is total. I will show you what this is. Just let me open it. This is a Naked and Raw coffee bean bar set. You can gift this also. You will get all the 3 coffee bars out here. They are running some amazing offers. Just go and check the site out. I will give you all the links in the description. There's another thing that you can gift, that is this moon lamp. This comes with the stand. You will get this in Amazon. I have been using this for a long time. I did not get this for Valentine's Day. I just got this. Did not purchase this from Amazon because that time it wasn't available on Amazon. But now it is available on Amazon, so you can go and grab it from Amazon. So turn on hoy. Then if you tap it on top, second, this is a yellowish color lampstand. Here it turns red, then it turns turned off. There are other color set also, because it's not completely charged. It also turns green and blue. Currently it's turning red, and it turns red. Keep it for a long time, then it's going to turn green. I'll take it here, then you can understand the color. Blue. And it's a very good gift. I did not get it from Amazon though. It's charged through a USB cable, and this is a good gift. Not only for Valentine's Day, overall it's a good gift. And if your loved ones love plants, then give them something from Ugao. I got this for myself from the Valentine's Day collection, and I will be making a separate video for this also. And I will show you something. So this is Ugao's official account on Insta, and then this is the link. If you click it, you will directly land on the page, like the sale page for that they are having for Valentine's Day. They are having them sale. I did order 2 plants from the sale section actually for Valentine's Day, and they are coming in pretty cute looking ceramic pots. And the best thing is, whatever you see on this site or whatever you see on the account page is exactly what you get. These are succulents. They are really good for keeping indoors. And if you're planning to gift your loved ones any plant, you can actually go ahead and order it from Ugao. And this is Lavel. Lavel is a skincare brand, and they have recently launched Valentine's Day boxes for men and women. And the price is pretty reasonable, as you can see out here. I have used their products before, I've purchased from them before, and I have checked on the box where I get notified if they actually launch any new products via mail. And that is how I got this PDF and I'm sharing it with you. দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন, আমি বললাম আমি ইউজ করেছি এদের প্রোডাক্টগুলো, খুবই ভালো, প্যাকেজিংটাও খুব ভালো. And if you guys are planning to gift your loved ones any skincare product, you can go ahead and order it from Lavel. এটারও লিঙ্ক আমি ডিসক্রিপশনে দিয়ে দেবো. So that's a good gift. You can also get something from Man Company. So let me go to their site. Okay, whatever noise you're hearing, someone is barking, that is Leo. Yes, this is Man Company's website. Just let me go and open it. Just give me a minute. Because Man Company is also running some offers for Valentine's Day. So here it is. Here's the website. And you have got some offers running for Valentine's Day. You can just go and check it out. I will give you Man Company's link as well. I'll give you the link. You can go and check it out. They were running some offers. You just have to go here and go to products or gifts. Just go to gifts for him and go to the website, go to gifts for him, and then you can select from here. And you will see these are the gifts. And let me see, if your loved ones love chocolates, and I know we all love chocolates, so I will just show you some handmade chocolates. And আমি কয়েকটা পেজেস শেয়ার করবো তোমাদের সাথে. আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি তোমাদেরকে ইনস্টা অ্যাকাউন্টগুলো দেখাচ্ছি. And ekhane two of it is from actually my juniors have started it. It's their new venture, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. And this is one. She's a super talented kid, and I think the reflection আসছে বলে খুব ভালো করে দেখতে পাচ্ছ না, আমি দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি. একটু তখন একটু রিফ্লেকশন আসছিল, আমি এখন তোমাদেরকে একবার পেজটা ঠিক করে আবার দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি. দিস ইজ one of the latest edition, and here it is, and this is the Valentine's Day hamper I was talking about. You can have a closer look out here, guys. This is some of the creations. I will show you. আরেকটা যেটা আমি বলছিলাম সেটা হলো দ্য লাভ গিফটারি. আমি তোমাকে ওদের ইনস্টা পেজটাও দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি. জাস্ট গিভ মি আ চকলেটস ফ্রম হার. আই অ্যাকচুয়ালি একটা ভেঙে গেছে, ও মাই গড, রাখতে গিয়ে ভেঙে গেছে. শি ইজ সুপার ট্যালেন্টেড অ্যান্ড শি ইজ আ জুনিয়র ফ্রম মাই স্কুল. সো দিস ইজ হার পেজ. And একটা ভেঙে গেছে, oh my god, I kept it so carefully. This is a dark chocolate. Oh my god, it's so cute, but I feel so bad. Isn't it cute, guys? I just couldn't resist when I saw this. She actually posted this on her Facebook page যেদিন ও বানিয়েছিল, and I just couldn't resist but place the order and get it for myself. আমি এখনো খাইনি, খাবো. I just wanted to show you guys first. Wait, I'm just very bad at and this is the blueberry one. These are all homemade chocolate bars. Oh my god. Okay, I'm very bad at doing it, unboxing. I feel bad. খিদে ফেলেছি পুরোপুরি. এটা দেখো. Doesn't this look cute? The price is pretty reasonable. I basically got it for someone and now I'm planning to keep it for myself. That's a very bad decision, but anyway, that is what happens when I order something, especially homemade chocolates. I don't end up giving it to anybody. That's a bad thing. I know that's a bad thing, but ki korbo kichu korar nei. So ei page duto check koro oti obosho. And there's another page I would like to show it to you, and this is known as the Choco Wonder, and this is her Valentine's Day collection. She makes homemade chocolates. So this is also a page that makes homemade chocolates, and this is her page, so go and check it out. And this is, yes, let me show you, just look at the size. Oh my god, here, yes, it is erokom lal eta, and look at the filling. It's super sweet, and this is from 8th Day Bakery. You get it all the time, but especially for Valentine's Day, this is really amazing. This is delivered at your place to home. That I couldn't come up with this video a little earlier because I had some rashes coming out and I had to rush to a dermatologist, and তাই জন্য একটু দেরি হয়ে গেছে ভিডিওটা বার করতে, but I hope this video is going to help you out to make decisions. And believe me, if you want a gift that is going to last for a long time, get them a plant, because if you take care of a plant, it's going to last for years and years and years, and that's a really good gift. And if you want to give them something special, you can obviously go for handmade chocolates. That's a really good gift, and I hope this was nice video, you loved it. And if you loved this video, press the thumbs up button, share it with your friends and family, and সব কিছুর লিঙ্ক যা যা দেখিয়েছি ভিডিওতে ডেসক্রিপশনে দেওয়া থাকবে. And don't forget to follow me on Insta, Facebook, and now I am also there on Twitter, so follow me there. And I will meet you guys pretty soon on my next vlog. Till then, keep clicking with your soul and have an amazing Valentine's Day, guys. Ta-da! Bye-bye!